Ready, go. Happy birthday, Ate Love! We love you. We miss you na. Amping dia sa Dubai. Happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday to you.
It's your birthday
Kiss me.
today.
Kiss.
Kiss it in. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Te. Love you.
Birthday, Ate Tut.
Happy birthday, Auntie Love.
Kumusta? Balik ko.
Kumusta?
Happy?
Happy birthday.
Happy?
Birthday.
Happy?
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, love. Happy 30th birthday.
Hi, Day. Bali pa yung adlaw sa imong natawhan. Thank you, Lord, sa naintuig nga gihatag para nimo. Salamat, Day. Kanunay sa pagsuporta na mo pag-igma. Thank you kayo. Oh, happy birthday. Usab diya kanimo.
Hi, love! Happy birthday, love! God bless you always, love. Nyamping ka, permilya kanunay. Pray, ayaw kalimot ni God, love. Salamat sa tanan-tanan ni Muntabang ka na mo. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Day.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Hi, love. Happy birthday. Tabaw ka. Ika napulo na ni nga video. O paglit ko. Bitaw. Anta happy ka sa imong adlaw natawhan. Bisan layo ka sa pamilya. Bisan layo ka sa imong bebe. Taw, enjoy your birthday. Thank you for everything that you have done for the family. For all the sacrifices. I love you. Mwah.
Hey, love. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Inday Love. Kumusta naman ka din ha? Happy birthday. Amping kanunay di Inday ha. Happy birthday, Inday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Love.
Go.
Happy birthday, Titot.
Kusga.
Happy birthday, Titot. I miss you. Kanas akang uli. Hi, Titot. Kumusta ka tira? Okay na ka? Happy birthday! Have a nice day on your birthday, Titot. Happy birthday! Love you. Bye-bye!
Hey lovely, happy birthday. Hope you're doing okay. Take care diya sa UAE. See you soon, okay? Perfume lang ako, please.
Happy birthday, Mommy Love! Happy birthday, Mommy Love! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Love!
Hi, love. This is G-Boy and this is Mitch. Even though you are few miles away from us, but this won't stop us to greet you and to say this to you. Happy birthday to you and
Hi, love, to our dear friend, travel buddy, tagay buddy, and most especially our Tong-Its buddy. Happy birthday, love. We wish you more blessings in life and all the happiness that you deserve. Ay kabala ka, love, maski naa ka sa layo, i-update ra gihapon ka namo sa mga latest chika diring dapita. We, your Marites friends, are always at your service, all the way from Cebu to Dubai. We miss you and we hope to see you very soon.
Happy birthday, lovely.
Happy birthday, lovely. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day today. Thank God na kinagahan ka niya another panahon kami adlaw. Not only for today, but thank God every single day. Okay, and tayo diya sa Dubai, together with Maligos and RNU. Okay, kita na napuhon. Kita na to size line. Okay? And then, again, happy birthday, Wednesday, 46 Triple D.
Hello. Mic test. Happy birthday, Day. Happy birthday, lovely. Day, sustain one more year, huh? Anyhow, enjoy Dubai, enjoy life, and I'm just here all the time. Don't forget that. Bye-bye, and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ate Lovely. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, lovely. Happy birthday, lovely. Happy birthday, lovely. Anyway, so I just wanna say happy birthday to you, and finally naka-birthday na gyud ka diri sa Dubai. Happy ko nga naa ka dinhi, and wishing you best of luck. Labi na sa imong trabaho diri. Happy ko, yeah. I may not be there like physically, but you know, you're always on my prayer. You guys are always on my prayer. Happy birthday! Party! Thank you, bye-bye!
Birthday, Daot!
Happy birthday, lovely. Amping niya sa Dubai. Yeah, enjoy lang sa imong birthday niya. More blessings.
Tapoy Magret, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Daot! Amping, kanunay. I miss you. Chocolate, ha? Katong galaxy dyan ako. Kay mo to akong ganahan. Happy birthday, love you!
Hi, B. Happy birthday. 30 na jud ka. Course na kayo. Ati. Bitaw, kuan. Kabaw ko, wala ka tanaw ka ni. Wag ka expect ka ni. Kaya kabaw ka ni kung hilig mo yun ani. Usa pa, ipukat lang ako ligid siya. Kaya sa ron layot ang duwa man lang sa truan ni. Like parang presence ba. And mo to, magkuanan ni mo sa iyong birthday karon. Or ka birthday tangadlaw, mag-amping ka permite. Always pray to God. Di ka pwede ayaw yung mag-goal. Kaya kabaw ka, naanak ko, naray pamilya ni mo, pwede rin giti mo tawagan ako pa mag-birthday ng tangadlaw ng tawag video call. Kung ganang ka yung physical nga presence ya, nara sila ko silag sa era o sa tida. And kuhan mo to, birthday greetings yun mo kay ibaw na ka, magbalik-balik na kay sa gila na to na kadugayon, magbalik-balik na, pero mo ginitin ako. So sasad ibaw na dyan ka, action speaks louder than words. So mo na itin and mo to, salamat sa tanan, salamat ko nimo kay ibaw na ka, nakahigang tao nga natabangan na kuanan nimo ka na kausap nimo ang kinabuhi usa na ka. And kuan kaning video na ko greetings mo karon, partial gift rin nako. Ang main gift inihuli mo. Ito be, happy birthday balik, enjoy karon, mag-enjoy mo dyan karon. Sila prepare ba mo na sa